Welcome! I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to delve into the world of computerized maintenance management systems and how to extract the most value from these systems through quality data input. We'll discuss how to foster a culture of solid data input and how to train your team effectively. We'll also touch on how to best utilize resources to ensure your data is not just plentiful, but useful. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stay tuned as we uncover how to make your computerized maintenance management system work best for you. When a computerized maintenance management system is implemented correctly, it can provide an organization with some truly incredible data. But here's the catch. If the data entered into the system isn't up to par, the output will be equally disappointing. This might be the first time many employees are using a system like this, so it's crucial to foster a culture of solid data input. So how do we encourage useful data input from our employees? Let's start with a key point, leading by example. Often there's a communication gap between those implementing the computerized maintenance management system software and the people using it. For instance, a maintenance manager might instruct their team to input quality data. But what does quality data mean? Some might interpret it as entering as much data as possible, leading to a flood of work orders that aren't helpful and don't highlight real issues. To avoid this, it's beneficial to use examples and carefully walk through the input process. This helps employees understand what constitutes quality data. Next up, we have training. Training goes hand in hand with leading by example and is crucial for encouraging quality data input. Some employees might be unsure about what kind of data to input, resulting in either too vague or excessively detailed entries. Others might not report any data at all because they're not familiar with the system. Training addresses these issues by equipping employees with the knowledge and skills they need to use a computerized maintenance management system effectively. Understanding how to use the system and then being trained on what qualifies as useful data input is key to cultivating a culture of good data. Finally, let's talk about utilizing your resources. With a computerized maintenance management system, it's important to understand how you can influence the quality of the data being entered. For example, if failure codes are generated by employees, there's likely to be a significant lack of consistency. Or if the failure codes are too brief or too general, extracting good data becomes nearly impossible due to insufficient data. Striking the right balance in failure codes and work orders is essential. Sometimes it's better to have detailed, specific failure codes if it means the data input is useful. Other times, qualitative feedback from employees is valuable. Ultimately, considering both perspectives to find the balance that works best for your team is a smart move. So remember to lead by example, train often, and utilize your resources to encourage useful data input from your employees. This will ensure your computerized maintenance management system is delivering the best possible data, helping your maintenance and operations teams be more successful. Thank you for watching. We've discussed the importance of quality data input in a computerized maintenance management system, how to lead by example, the role of training, and the smart use of resources. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. For further information, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.